In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WordArt and shapes in PowerPoint 2007 step by step, so you can make your slides look more creative, more polished, and much more professional. If you've ever wanted to add bold text effects, colorful titles, arrows, boxes, or custom design elements to your presentation, this tutorial is for you. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with WordArt. WordArt is a great way to make text stand out on your slide. To insert it, go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint 2007. Once you're there, click on WordArt. You'll see a list of different styles appear on the screen. These styles can range from simple and clean to bold and decorative, so choose the one that matches the look you want for your presentation. After selecting a WordArt style, a text box will appear. Type in the text you want to display. This could be a title, a heading, a quote, or any message you want to emphasize. Once you type your text, click outside the box and your WordArt will be placed on the slide. Now that the WordArt is added, you can format it to make it fit your design even better. To do that, click on the WordArt so it becomes selected. Then go to Drawing Tools and click on the Format tab. Here, you'll find several options to customize the look of your text. You can change the color, adjust the outline, and add text effects like shadow, glow, reflection, or other special styles. These formatting tools help you make your WordArt more eye-catching and more consistent with the rest of your slide. If you want your title to stand out even more, try experimenting with different colors and effects until you find the best combination. Just remember, the goal is to make the text easy to read while still looking attractive. A good WordArt style can add a lot of personality to your presentation without making it look too crowded. Next, let's move on to shapes. Shapes are useful for adding visual interest, creating labels, highlighting information, or building simple diagrams on your slide. To insert a shape, go back to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. You'll see a menu with many different options, including rectangles, arrows, circles, callouts, lines, and more. Pick the shape that works best for what you want to create. After choosing your shape, click and drag on the slide to draw it. You can resize it as needed by dragging the corners or sides. You can also move it around to place it exactly where you want. Shapes are very flexible, so they can be used for almost anything, from simple borders to creative design layouts. Once your shape is on the slide, you can format it just like WordArt. Select the shape, then go to Drawing Tools and click the Format tab. From there, you can change the shape fill color, adjust the shape outline, and apply shape effects. For example, you can add shadows, soft edges, bevels, or other effects to make the shape look more polished and modern. If you're making a presentation, this is where you can really start to improve the overall design. You can use shapes behind text to create contrast, use arrows to guide attention, or use colored boxes to organize content clearly. Small design choices like this can make a big difference in how professional your slides look. And that's the basic process for using WordArt and shapes in PowerPoint 2007. To recap, go to the Insert tab, add WordArt for style text, format it using Drawing Tools, then insert shapes from the Shapes menu and customize them with fill, outline, and effects. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you'll be able to create much more visually appealing slides in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.